Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essential details, your iPhone model and iOS version, because some fixes depend on system behavior. Once done, back up to iCloud or Finder so you can restore if needed. Make sure the phone stays charged. Next, force quit the app from the app switcher and relaunch to rule out a transient crash. If an error message appears, read it. That clue will shape your next steps. Act now, don't skip the backup. You now perform the middle work, offload versus delete. Offload keeps app data while removing the app binary. Delete removes both and can clear corruption. Once offloaded or deleted, reinstall from the App Store to get a fresh binary. After reinstall, open settings to review permissions, location, camera, notifications, because lack of permissions can break functionality. If the app uses the network, reset network settings to clear DNS or VPN hiccups. This often resolves connectivity-related failures. You finish by updating both iOS and the app. Compatibility fixes live in updates, so install them and reboot the device afterward to ensure clean startup. If you see login or sync problems, sign out within the app and sign back in to refresh tokens and caches. Finally, if the issue persists, reproduce the problem, collect screenshots and any error text, and contact the app developer. Include device model, iOS version, and step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.